guys, flip of the week, and it's a big one.
We paid $400, I think, for these, and sold them for $4,500.
That's right, we've had these jokers for a little while, but we love freight shipping, and this is one of the reasons why we love freight shipping, because we can 10x our investment, and then that makes a huge dent into our monthly income. So we love the freight shipping for that reason.
It really did change our business whenever we started doing freight shipping 5 years ago, right?
Yep, 5 years ago we jumped into it feet first. We didn't even know how to ship freight stuff, but we decided to jump into it because we knew it would be a game changer, and it has been a game changer for us. So you can see there's actually 2 stacks of these. We're actually building 1 pallet and throwing them on the 1 pallet, and that's how we're shipping them. But people, form liners are actually concrete. You'll see there's like some residue or some stuff, concrete. They're concrete stamps, so they actually make walls, like a retention wall or a facade on a wall to make them look like stone. So they're pretty sweet. It's a cool deal. We've sat on them for a little while, but we love the profits that we're able to make. So even this, we're getting ready to build a pallet and throw them all onto 1 pallet.
Walk them up.
That's right. We have forklifts, and we didn't start with forklifts. We bought them throughout the years that we've been doing this. Even if we did not have a forklift, we could still do this freight shipping because Melissa and I are actually going to pick up 2 people can do it. We're going to pick up piece by piece, stack it on the pallet, and get it ready. And then the freight company can come in and pick up the pallet. They bring the machines to do that, or we can drop it off. If we had to put it onto a trailer, we could put the pallet. That's right. Put the pallet on the trailer, build it on the trailer, stack everything up, walk it up, and do it that way too. So if you're thinking that you can't do freight shipping, you can't do it, it's too big, guys, if there's a will, there's a way. The money is great in freight shipping if you're willing to learn how to do it, and that's exactly how we started 5 years ago. We had to figure out what to do and how to do it without the machine. So we were able to do it. If you guys want to do it, check it out. We have a workshop. You guys can go check out the workshop, learn a little bit more about this whole flipping gig and freight shipping and stuff like that. If you guys want to jump in there, Melissa,
I'll put the link in.
She'll put the link below, and don't miss your spot. Jump in there, register now.
I'm thankful for these big flips.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome to be able to make a $4,500 flip. Most people flip, and they have to flip, 100, 1,000 items to get to $4,500.
That's a lot of shipping process.
It is. It's a lot of shipping process, and it's a lot of time. It's a lot of time to where we're going to have probably, I would say, this whole ordeal is probably not going to have more than 3 or 4 hours of our time into the whole ordeal of this and being able to make that type of profit. So just think about it. Like I said, it's an amazing opportunity to jump into freight if you guys get the chance to. So you can do it. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget, click the link below, jump in, register for the workshop, and learn a little bit more about this flipping gig.
Bye.
All right, see ya.